The Thieves Household Cleaner can be used in every room of the house. Let's explore how to use it room by room, starting with the kitchen. Use the Thieves Household Cleaner diluted in a spray bottle to clean and sanitize kitchen benchtops and surfaces. Use it to cut through grease on kitchen counters and stovetops. Use it to clean the fridge and kitchen appliances. Soak off burnt food in pots and pans, and use it to clean tea-stained cups, teapots and stained vases. You can also use it to remove tough stains on plastic food storage containers. Use it to clean the garbage bins. Then use it undiluted in place of dishwasher detergent by adding a capful of the Thieves Cleaner to your dishwasher. Use it undiluted to degrease the oven, and you can use the cleaner to make up scrubs, including sink scrubs and oven cleaner scrubs. Now let's look at the bathroom. Add the Thieves Household Cleaner diluted with water in a spray bottle to clean and sanitize all of your bathroom surfaces, including the bench tops and the sink, the shower glass and the mirrors, plus the toilet. You can use it to clean mold and mildew. You can use it for tiles and grout, either in the spray bottle, or you can make up a sink or bathtub scrub using the Thieves Household Cleaner. Use the Thieves Cleaner in the laundry instead of laundry detergent by adding 1 to 2 capfuls, depending upon the size of your laundry load, to the washer. You can use the Thieves Cleaner as a spot remover and stain remover by using a pre-wash treatment. First, start with the diluted form of the Thieves Cleaner from your spray bottle and see how that works for you. For even tougher stains, you can use about half a capful of the Thieves Cleaner undiluted on the stain. Use the Thieves Cleaner in the spray bottle with water to freshen linens and towels. And for those forgotten laundry loads that are starting to smell a bit mildewy, add a capful of the cleaner to remove the mildew smell. For other rooms around the home, use the Thieves Cleaner to clean TV remotes and keyboards, office desks and school desks, to clean artificial flowers and ornaments, to clean upholstery, including stain removal on upholstery, for steam cleaning carpets and carpet stains, for cleaning floors and tiles, wooden furniture and cabinets, windows and windowsills, mirrors, walls, light fittings, cupboards and drawers. For most of those applications, you would use the Thieves Cleaner diluted with water in a spray bottle, except of course when you're working with the floors where you use the mop bucket. The Thieves Household Cleaner can be used for most surfaces and fabrics, though it's always suggested to do a spot test on an inconspicuous spot first.